Yes, yes, we are ready.
Being genius is not so easy after all. Everything you say becomes a quote. Everything you do becomes a noble act. सब तुम्हें सीरियसली लेने लगते हैं यार. तुम्हारे घर वाले भी.
आयला, बेटा जरा यहाँ आना. ये विशेष फिल्म्स का टैक्स रिटर्न फॉर्म है.
अपने अकाउंटेंट को दिखाओ. Why me?
क्योंकि जीनियस ऑफ द हाउस तो तुम ही हो.
My dad was so proud of me. I could see the same respect in his eyes which he had for my puja day after her many debacles. Miracles. I couldn't handle all this. It was too much responsibility for a 22-year-old. So I tried convincing someone who is of my age. Into two. Dee, what should I do? I want to get out of this serious image that I have created. मुझे आपके जैसा बनना है. आपको कितना भी सीरियस रोल मिले, फिर भी आप उसे फनी वे में प्रेजेंट करते हो. I want to do that.
अब सीरियस रोल तुम्हारा साया है, तुम इससे पीछा नहीं छुड़ा सकते.
But दी, भले ही आपके और पापा की शक्ल फनी है, पर आपकी सीरत तो ऑलरेडी सीरियस है. I don't want to copy you. मुझे अपनी खुद की पहचान बनानी है.
तुम्हारी पहचान अब हम दोनों की जिंदगी का एक मरहम है. अब से तुम हमारे जैसे हो. वेलकम टू तुम्हारा प्लान आइलैंड, जिसमें एक किसकी भी नहीं है.
फैमिली तो फैमिली. मेरे फ्रेंड्स ने भी मेरा साथ छोड़ दिया. They started treating me like an adult. I was not even considered for being roasted. All I had to do was sit in the audience and pretend to understand every below the belt comment. And all the roles that came my way, they were so meaty. I couldn't even digest them all. एक ही कपड़े में विदाउट मेकअप पूरी मूवी कोई कैसे कर सकता है? हेलो.
हेलो आयला,
हाँ रोहन.
मुझे एक माइंड ब्लोइंग स्क्रिप्ट ऑफर हुई है एंड योर रोल इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग इन इट.
Really? Is my character very outgoing and fashionable in it?
नो, वी प्ले अ मैरिड कपल. हमारे बेटे का मर्डर हो जाता है और फुल मूवी में तुम उसका बदला लेती रहती हो. डी-ग्लैम लुक, चेहरे पे दुख, दर्द, गुस्सा या फिर मेथड एक्टर वाला ब्लैंक इंटेलिजेंट लुक.
What? फिर इसमें तुम्हारा रोल क्या होगा?
मैं तो अपने बेटे के साथ ही मर जाता हूँ. हीरो तो तुम हो और मूवी का नाम है बदला पूरा.
Oh God! I was trapped in my own bed. IIM में कोई लेता नहीं था. And then I started getting offers to act as a studious IIM girl. I was lost. Highway किया with the same lost expression. And people appreciated me for my acting in it. I was just thinking of going for a rehab. I needed a pause button for my larger than life brain. मेरा ब्रेन में IQ इतना तेज हो चुका था कि मुझे डॉक्टर ने बादाम खाने से सख्त मना कर दिया. Yes, I tried detoxicating my brain by reading Revolution 2020. क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी का पूरा मैराथन भी देख लिया. But the damage was already done. I couldn't undo my corrections. गलतियाँ तो सुधार सकते हैं. But when you're right, you have no scope left for anything. And फिर भगवान ने मेरी सुन ली. I got a call from Karan for his latest season of Coffee. And I knew what needs to be done. Just repeat the history. I was so prepared for it. I started avoiding Amir at parties. रोज 1 घंटा सोनम से फोन पे बात भी करती थी. राहुल गांधी के स्पीच फॉलो करना शुरू कर दिए. I also started following KRK on Twitter. It helped me a lot to decrease my brain में IQ. And then came the D-Day.
So, we have Genius of the Year with us today, and we are going to play her favorite round, the IQ round. Excited?
Nervous.
Don't be. I'm sure you'll nail it just the way I nailed Bombay Velvet. So, here's the first question. Well, this one's easy for you. What is the capital of United States?
America.
Ayla, that was hilarious. Moving on. What came first? Egg or chicken?
Egg. Chicken comes out of it later.
Who lays the eggs then?
Ah, I got it. Ducks.
Forget it. How many galaxies are there in the universe? Alia baby, stop. Leave. Go. Ayla, you cannot count them.
Shh. I was back. I felt so relieved. Seeing my memes spreading like wildfire on social media turned me on. My brain felt so lighter. I lost some kgs because of formatting my brain. अब मैं इतनी डम हो चुकी हूँ that I have started getting offers from Sajid Khan.